Bennie Master's lecture, The Purity of Spiritual Awareness, Transforming Consciousness into Wisdom. Dear friends, a warm welcome to all. Today, we gather to explore spiritual awareness, the pure, all-pervading consciousness that fills the boundless void and encompasses the entire Dharma realm. Let us embark on this journey of the heart together. Part 1. Spiritual Awareness, the Innate Purity. What is spiritual awareness? It is our inherent, pristine awakened nature, like a computer screen, pure and untainted, yet capable of reflecting all images. Part 2. Ignorance and Habitual Tendencies, the Trap of Real Labels. Yet, beings clouded by ignorance often mistake the images on the screen for reality, believing emotions and phenomena to be solid and unchanging. When we hear praise, we feel happiness. When we encounter insults, we feel anger. When we hear an unfamiliar language, we feel confusion. Why is this so? Because, in our ignorance, we label these sounds and phenomena as real. Over time, these labels become habits, forming consciousness, a delusional attachment to appearances. Part 3. Transforming Consciousness into Wisdom. Ceasing is awakening. How do we break free from the trap of ignorance? The answer lies in transforming consciousness into wisdom. When anger arises, recognize it as a phenomenon triggered by unfulfilled desires, a temporary image on the screen. Do not follow it, do not fuel it with energy, and it will naturally dissipate. Cease this deluded thought, and awakening manifests. The wise keenly perceive that all phenomena arise from causes and conditions, impermanent and ever-changing. What we give to others returns as our own fruit. This is the wondrous function of spiritual awareness. Realizing this, we gain mastery, acting freely. Conclusion: awakening to spiritual awareness, perfect freedom. Dear friends, spiritual awareness is our innate treasure, pure, untainted, and perfectly free. Anger, happiness, and confusion are but fleeting images on the screen, arising and passing without a trace. Awakening to this truth, we liberate ourselves from the bondage of consciousness. May we, with this wisdom, sever ignorance and attain supreme enlightenment. Thank you all.